Today I'm going to show you how to transfer Acorns to your bank account. If you have funds on your Acorn account and you want to transfer it back to your bank account, let me show you how it is done. Now, firstly, before you do that, make sure you have linked your bank account. Once that step is complete, from the homepage of your Acorns app, just head over to the option which says banks right here. Or if you have a checkings account added in, it's going to say checkings. Just tap on this bank account option. Inside of the bank account details section, in order to transfer the funds, just tap on the transfer option button. Sometimes if you don't see the transfer option, it may also say withdrawal. So depending upon what option do you have, tap on the transfer or withdrawal option. Now this is the section where you enter in the amount that you're trying to withdraw from your Acorns account to your bank. So just type in the amount that you want. The minimum withdrawal amount is $5. So if you enter in an amount which is less than $5, it's going to give you a sign which says minimum withdrawal required, which says $5 is minimum withdrawal required. So just add in an amount which is more than $5 or which equals to $5. So once you type in the amount, just tap on withdraw on the bottom. Before that, also make sure you selected the correct bank account so that it can be easily transferred. Now the transfer process may take 3 to 6 business days as it says right here. So if you agree, just tap on the withdraw option and the balance that you have from your Acorns will be transferred back to your bank account. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.